senses this light. Then it senses it like this. Okay, let's fix it tight and do a test. Right here on this device. First, reset. Okay, reset it. Then we'll do a pull test. Then switch this to debug mode. Then manual again. Now this is hole punch pull. We conduct the test. Press and hold this button. It will pull off. See that? Here it's not tight, tighten it. Pulled too tight. The pulling force. If it can't be pulled like this, it's because the tension here is too tight here. The tightness here. Then we use our controller to reduce it a bit. Meaning less tension. Just ensure it doesn't become loose or slack. Then adjust it to a suitable position. Yes. Alright, roughly okay. Then we do another pull test. Like this. Come on, click once. Pull brake. Click this pull off button. Okay. Then we click pull off. Observe the situation here. Come note it down. Like this. Proves it's not on this straight line. See it? Proves it's not on this straight line. Let's check here. This position is a bit off. Then we release this air. Release this air. Move this membrane slightly to the right. Okay. Then move this to here. Then shift this a bit to the right. Okay, continue pulling. After fine-tuning here, continue pull testing. Good. Line up, you see its position is almost right. Come note it down. Still a little gap here. See, there's still a slight gap. Here it's a bit off. Move it a bit more that way. Good, good. Like this, after shifting here, raise this number 7. This means it is in a mid position. After raising it, we adjust this piece. Wait as it runs. It will also help correct the piece. Move back a bit. Good, okay. Okay, then we'll continue jogging. If it's still a bit off now, you can use this edge corrector to control it. We move the piece slightly that way, then... Okay. Good, this edge correction works well. After using it well, we directly click auto mode. So when it runs, it will automatically switch to auto. Now manual light is on. Switch to auto. It will automatically adjust itself later. We pull the material. Then jog it again. Position is incorrect now. Yes. The position is too far this way now. The corrector can pull it over. See that? This was the position when the corrector was small. It has already pulled it over. The position is correct now. Did you see that? The position is now correct. Then keep running. As long as it doesn't run outside the mold, as long as it stays within these two circles, it means these two DS are already connected. There is no protective film on the outside either. Okay, like now, we can loosen that again. Loosen this one again. Okay, then we retract the excess material and we're done. Let's retract this. This part is a bit hard to explain. We can record these values. Here it's about 14. Then we can set it to 0. That way it will be much easier to retract here. Who's going to retract it? Now this machine is properly connected at this position.